I was asked a question about removing an alternator on the Grand Carnival 2007. I don't need to, but I'm going to have a look to show you what I would do. So obviously got to remove this cover, so there's 4 10mm bolts that need to be removed. Next part I would do would be to remove the plastic part here to take the radiator out, so don't forget to collect the coolant. So you got the fans out, radiator out, to give yourself a bit of room to work. Then you can unbolt the alternator. And to remove the belt, just locate that bolt head face that's sticking out from the tensioner pulley. Put your ratchet onto that and turn it anti-clockwise to loosen. Take your belt off or loosen it up to get the alternator out, and then put your belt back on. This last bit is just the workshop manual information, so you can just follow these steps as well. Simple as. Well, I hope that's enough information. That's about all the information I would need anyway if somebody was to tell me, so I could remove it. Hopefully that helps you out and you can successfully remove the alternator and put a new one in. Nice and easy. Cheers, guys.